was our day 8 in Vietnam and today we are going to Ninh Binh. So see you guys there.
We had booked the tour for Ninh Binh from the same place where we booked the Halong Bay tour, and it costed around $35 per person, which comes to 3000 Indian rupees approximately. On the way we took a 10 to 15 minutes break and now we are heading back to the bus. In this tour we'll be visiting 3 destinations, that is Mua Cave, Hua Lu and Tam Quoc.
हम Ninh Binh पहुँच गए हैं. हमारी फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन है मुआ केव, जहाँ हम 500 स्टेप्स चढ़ने हैं हमको.
This is the peak of Mua Cave जहाँ हम चढ़ने वाले हैं. Before the climb, here at Mua Cave there are many photo spots made for the tourists. Now let's head towards the caves. All set to climb 500 steps. Let's go! Finally we have reached the halfway. This is the view from the half climb, and now we have more steps to reach at the top. So let's go! Finally we have reached at the top. But the way to reach the dragon at the peak was quite narrow and the most dangerous and difficult climb I have ever experienced. It's even difficult to stand on these rocks. Here's the best bird's eye view of Halong Bay on land, that is Ninh Binh. And this is Tam Quoc, which will be our final destination.
The view from the top. This is the dragon. This is the climb. Now we have to go there.
We have climbed down the dragon statue, and now we have started our descent and we are going to the lotus garden. But before going to the lotus garden, we came to the tiger cave. Tucked away near the base of the mountain, Tiger Cave is a mysterious and peaceful spot. Inside you'll find ancient rock formations and a quiet, almost spiritual atmosphere. Now we are heading to the Lotus Garden. We faced the major downside of visiting Ninh Binh on a tour, as we did not get much time to explore the Lotus Gardens. If you really want to experience the beauty of Ninh Binh, I'd highly recommend staying at least a night here. There's so much to explore, as Ninh Binh isn't just a day trip destination. It deserves more time to soak in its natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere. Before our next activity, we had a buffet lunch which was included in the tour.
We are done with the lunch. अभी हम लोग साइकिलिंग पे जा रहे हैं. On the cycle.
We enjoyed the off-road cycling. मैं पानी में गिरते गिरते बच गई. That was too close. साइकिलिंग करते करते हम पहुंच गए हैं कॉन्ग आइलैंड. द टावरिंग लाइमस्टोन क्लिफ्स एंड द अनटच्ड लैंडस्केप्स मेक इट फील like a scene straight out of a movie. And actually this place became famous after Kong Skull Island was filmed here. This spot is absolutely breathtaking.
And we are back after cycling, off-road cycling. And here is the pool of the resort
where we had our lunch, and now we are heading to our next destination for the day. Let's go! We have arrived at Hua Lu, Vietnam's ancient capital. This place is full of history and is over 1000 years old. The traditional architecture and peaceful surroundings make it a great spot to explore. There are 2 main temples here dedicated to kings. Since this is a sacred place, make sure to dress accordingly because they do not allow shorts or sleeveless tops inside the temple. And if by any chance someone is wearing shorts, they give the wrap-around skirts. A visit to Hoa Lu is a journey into Vietnam's past. If you love history and culture, this is the must-visit spot. Now let's head to our final destination.
थर्ड डेस्टिनेशन द टैमकॉक. हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी बोटिंग के लिए जाने वाले हैं. We are on the boat in Tamkok.
This place is also known as Heart of Ninh Binh's natural beauty. Tamkok, which literally means three caves, is famous for its peaceful boat ride along the river.
Water lily.
In the morning, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. blue.
As you glide through the water, you are surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and vibrant green fields. It's like stepping into a postcard. This boat ride takes around 1.5 hours to pass through 3 natural caves with stunning views along the way. And I must say, it's such a relaxing experience. And you know what's the interesting part? The local rowers use their feet to paddle. Okay, we are entering the first cave now. And wow, it's so mystical. The caves are naturally formed, and as we drift through, you can hear the gentle echoes of the water dripping from the ceiling. It's like nature's own symphony.
One goal done. Here are the water lilies. Beautiful water lilies. Hi!
We are entering the second cave right now. The ceiling of the cave is lower as compared to the first cave. It's darker and cooler inside. This one is a short cave. One more cave to go. We are entering the third and final cave of Tamkok. The ceiling here is the lowest yet, so we had to duck a little bit to pass through. This cave is longer and darker than the previous ones with cool, quiet atmosphere. If you are looking for a peaceful escape, this is the perfect place. We also spotted Moa caves during the boat ride. We were here up in the morning. This boat ride through Tamkok has truly been a magical experience. Now let's go to the bus and head back to Hanoi.
लोग ओल्ड वाटर हैनॉय वापस आ गए थे टैमकॉक के बाद. और ये पीछे बोट वाली बिल्डिंग है. बोट के शेप में कैफेज बने हुए हैं. अभी हमारा डिनर भी हो गया है एंड अभी हम लोग वापस अपने होटल जा रहे हैं. कल हमारी अर्ली मॉर्निंग सापा की बस एट 6 AM.
So this was all about Ninh Binh. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow this Vietnam series. See you guys in my next vlog.